Today I am going to share about a plugin integration, which actually how we do live chat with Slack. Let's see how actually it works. First we need to configure this information: Slack webhook URL, Slack signing secret key, Slack bot auth token, and Slack agent user ID. Okay. I have another video. I'll attach on the comment section. You can check. This will be the configuration information. How we'll get this all this information from the Slack webhook section. Let's see how it actually works. First, if we start a live chat, okay, I have another chat, so it's showing my older session. I'm opening a new window. Let's see. Let's start live chat. Okay, now start talking with the live chat agent. See, here I got a notification on the Slack. Let's see. This is the Slack temporary created chat session. From here we can start chat with this user as an agent. Let's see. Hey, see, message successfully sent. That means user got the information message. Okay, now again user asking, I need your help. See, user message successfully get the agent. Okay, so this is the process. If you want to integrate your support agent with the Slack to your website, it's really helpful, so you can try this. I have developed this using Slack webhook, so this is the plugin feature actually. So thanks for watching this video.